Hi, I'm Jay Bonson.
And I'm Freddy Belga. We are taking methods of teaching at Amano Coffee College.
Let's talk about computers. First, let us know what computer is. A computer is an electronic device that it manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You can use a computer to make documents, send emails, browse the internet, handle spreadsheets, presentations, games, and more. Computer has several forms. It can be a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, or even smartphones. Computer has two major components. The first one is the hardware, and the second one is the software. Let's talk about first the hardware. So, the hardware is the physical component of the computer, the parts that you can see and touch. Examples of hardware are keyboard, which is used for encoding, the mouse, for to move or select text, icon, files, or folders. The monitor that displays graphics like videos, images, or text. So the next one is the UPS, or so-called the uninterruptible power supply. It provides a backup power source in case of power loss or brownout. Next one is the system unit. System unit contains primary devices that performs operations. Let us know what's inside the system unit. System unit has 7 major parts. First one is the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit is referred to as the brain of the computer. It handles all instructions it receives from software running on the computer. These are examples of CPU. The next is the motherboard. The motherboard is a primary printed circuit board where all parts of the computer or peripherals are connected. These are the examples of motherboard. Next is the RAM, or random access memory. What is a random access memory, or RAM? RAM allows information to be stored and retrieved. It is a volatile memory that requires power to keep the data accessible. These are the examples of memory, or RAM. Next, we have here the hard disk drive, or HDD. Hard disk is a non-volatile memory hardware that permanently stores and retrieves data on the computer. It is also the main memory or main storage device of the computer. Examples are the following. Next, we have the power supply unit, or power supply, or PSU. PSU is a hardware component that supplies power to all other components inside the system unit. It converts AC to DC, usable for computers, and it is rated by numbers of watts it generates. These are the examples of power supply. Next is the CD or DVD recordable or writable drive, or so-called the optical drives. It is a component that is capable of storing and reading information stored in CD or DVD. These are the examples of CD or DVD drive. Next, we have here the system case or chassis. What is a system case or chassis? A system case is a housing that helps protect and organize all the components of the system unit. These are the graphical representation of the system case. That's all for the hardware. The second component, which is the software, will be discussed to us by my partner, Freddy Belga.
Hi, I'm Freddy Belga, and I will discuss to you about the second component of the computer, which is the computer software. First, let us know the meaning of a computer software. A computer software, it is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task. It enables the user to interact with a computer. Without software, computer would be useless. Example of these are MS Office, Windows, web browsers, and Adobe Suite, and etc. There are two types of software. First one is the system software and the second one is the application software. First, let us know what is a system software. A system software is a program needed for a computer to work. System software is also the operating system of the computer. It is a program that allows different applications and various hardware components to communicate with each other. Examples are Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Unix. The next one is the application software. The application software, it is a program that is used by the user to run a specific application according to their needs. For example, we use a specific program in photo editing. We also use different software in making letters, and other software in downloading and use other programs in surfing the internet and others. Examples are the Adobe products, Office Suite and Internet Download Manager, Cool Edit Pro, VLC Multiplayer, web browser, Most Wanted, Crossfires, or even NBA. Okay, that's it. Let's have some exercises. I'm going to leave you some questions to answer. Here are the first questions. The first question is, the physical component of the computer. Is it A, software, B, hardware, or C, operating system? The second question is, it is referred to as the brain of the computer. Is it A, monitor, B, RAM, or C, CPU? Let's come now to the last question. Which of the following is part of the system unit? Is it A, mouse, B, hard disk, or C, monitor? That would be all. I hope you enjoy our video tutorial. Comment down your answer and don't forget to subscribe in this channel for more videos. Thanks.